In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Comet Browser by Perplexity AI to efficiently summarize product reviews. This tool can help streamline your shopping experience by providing key insights into products before you make a purchase decision. To get started, first, navigate to the Comet Browser on your device. It's a straightforward web browser, similar to those you already use, but with some enhanced capabilities we're looking to explore today. Once you've launched the browser, head over to Google. This is where we'll kick off our search journey. In the Google search bar, type in Amazon. You're probably quite familiar with Amazon as a leader in e-commerce, housing a vast selection of products ranging from books and electronics to even groceries. Once you see the Amazon website appear in the search results, go ahead and click on the link to open the site. With Amazon now open, it's time to search for a specific product. For this demonstration, we'll look for Apple AirPods Pro. Simply type this product name into the Amazon search bar and hit enter. Amazon's search function is robust and will promptly bring up a list of relevant results for AirPods Pro, showcasing different models, price points, and potentially some enticing deals. Once you've got the search results in front of you, select any product listing that grabs your interest. This could be the model that fits within your budget or a version that boasts the features you're keen on. Click on the product title to navigate to its dedicated page. Here, you'll find all the standard product information, descriptions, and, importantly, customer reviews. Now, here's where the magic of Perplexity AI within Comet Browser really comes in handy. Look to the upper right corner of your screen for the Perplexity AI Assistant. It may appear as a discrete icon, but it holds the key to unlocking summarized reviews. Click on this assistant icon and a prompt will unfold, offering various capabilities. Select the Summarize Product Reviews option, and you'll find that the AI swiftly consolidates the myriad of customer feedback available on the product, highlighting pivotal pros and cons, frequent praises, and common complaints. This summary will provide you a snapshot of users' experiences without needing to sift through numerous individual reviews. And there you have it, a concise, powerful way to gather insights into products, empowering you to make informed decisions confidently. By harnessing the capability of Comet Browser with Perplexity AI, you streamline your online shopping process, saving valuable time and effort. Keep exploring different functionalities of the Comet Browser to see how it can further enhance your browsing tasks. Thanks for joining today, and happy shopping with your newfound tool.